This custom-built home by Slattery Homes is only 2 years new and is located on a private and spacious cul-de-sac lot in Bridgewater with water views. Right away, you'll note the sizable stature and inviting features like the large covered front porch. As you walk into the home, you'll notice an open concept with the family room and kitchen being the focal points for the main level, with stunning luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. The foyer opens to a formal dining space on one side and an office area on the other. The great room features a beautiful fireplace surrounded by windows and opens to an amazing kitchen with a sizable kitchen island, quartz countertop, slate steel appliances, high-end cabinets that reach the ceiling, plus the pantry of your dreams. On the second floor, you'll find the owner's suite with a beautiful and massive walk-in shower, soaking tub, and walk-in closets with built-ins. 2 of the bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom, and 1 more bedroom offers another full bath. Outside, there's a spacious backyard with an 18 by 12 covered patio that's perfect for grilling and chilling. There's plenty of space for cars and storage with an oversized 3-car garage plus a matching 8 by 10 shed. Do not miss out on this opportunity. Call Rick Widman right away.